In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a bill in Zoho Books. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to input and manage your bills efficiently. Let's get started. To begin, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're on the dashboard, which is the home base for managing your financials, locate the left-hand menu. It's packed with all the options you'll need to navigate through Zoho Books. First, what you need to do is click on Purchases from this menu. This section is dedicated to keeping track of all your business expenses, so it's a crucial area for maintaining your financial health. After clicking on Purchases, the next step awaits. Click on Bills. Here, you can view all your previously recorded bills or add new ones. It's the go-to place for keeping your billing information organized. Now, it's time to add a new bill, so find and click on the New button. As you get to the new bill entry screen, you'll notice that one of the first things you need to do is select a vendor. This is essential because it connects your bill to a specific supplier or service provider. Entering the correct vendor ensures that your financial records reflect accurate and up-to-date information. Next, type in the bill number. This unique identifier helps distinguish this particular bill from others and can be crucial for referencing later, especially if you need to track payments or manage disputes. Make sure to type it in correctly. Now, let's focus on the bill date. This date should represent when the bill was issued. It's vital for your records as it can affect your accounting periods and financial statements. After setting the bill date, you need to choose a due date. This is the deadline for when the payment is expected. Keeping track of due dates is crucial to maintain good relationships with your vendors and avoid any late fees. Once you've got the dates sorted, type in the subject for the bill. This is a brief description of what the bill is for, a helpful note that can save you time when scanning through your records in the future. Following that, it's time to fill up the item table. This is where you input the specifics of what you're being billed for. It might include items, quantities, rates, and amounts. Clearly detailing each item on the bill can help prevent mismatched records or misunderstandings with your vendors. Finally, once all this information is accurately entered, the last step is to click on Save as Open. This action records the bill in your system and marks it as open, meaning it's awaiting payment. Zoho Books will now track this bill, helping you stay on top of your financial obligations. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a bill in Zoho Books. This systematic approach ensures your financial records are precise and reliable, which can significantly aid in effective business management. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy bookkeeping.